In this video, we will look at the performance of my Charles Schwab Stock Portfolio brokerage account for the week of October 17th, 2022 through October 21st, 2022. It was another good week resulting in profits. We made some money again this week, made more money than we have in a long time with this brokerage account. And this comes as a relief because there were several weeks that I was constantly losing money. In fact, 3 or 4 weeks ago, I lost the most I ever lost during my investing career, and that didn't feel good. But this feels really good. Profiting, and it's been a really good week, especially on Friday, October 21st. The market did really well in my eyes. I consider it did really well in the short time that I've been learning how to invest. So let's take a look in further detail at my Charles Schwab brokerage account. This is an account that where I'm picking individual stocks to, one, become better at investing, become good at investing, two, to see if I can beat the market, so to speak. All right, so as we see here, my account gained $140.64 during this past week. Now, I did add some money to the account, and you could tell the difference here is my contributions that I made with the dotted line and the actual value of my portfolio. But as you see, we were down here at the start of the week. Then about midweek, we spiked up big time, and we kept it for the most part. But then on Friday, we went up even more. So it's been a really good week. I'm proud of the stocks that are in my account. I'm proud of the results that we've had this week. The beginning value at the start of the week of this brokerage account was a little over $3,000. I added some money to the account around Tuesday or Wednesday, added $375 because I wanted to buy some more shares of some stocks, in particular in the defensive sector. You can check out my video about defensive sectors if you like here on this channel, and kind of give you some perspective on why I wanted to invest in that particular sector of the stock market. Defensive sectors are the sectors that are commonly referred to as the healthcare sector, the utility sector, and the consumer staples sector. So that's the money I started with. I added some more money, but then on top of that, my account gained $140.64. So that leaves us with a total ending value of $3,000 or $3,596.46, which makes me really happy because if you watched a couple weeks ago, I was trying to get to $3,000 and now I'm almost at $3,600. So I'm very, very pleased. My oh my, how things can swing in the stock market. You're down, losing money, hemorrhaging money 1 week, and then all of a sudden you made a substantial increase in your account balance. So that's good. Our next goal is $5,000 by the end of December 31st, 2022. So by the end of the year 2022, I want $5,000 in here. And the bigger goal, hopefully 5-8 years down the road, is $100,000 in this stock portfolio account. Now let's look at the rate of return. My account had a return of 4.3% during this week. Super pleased about that. Ideally, the overall ambitious goal is to have this particular account to return 8 to 10% over the lifetime of this particular stock portfolio account. So 4.3% is really good to me. I'm pleased anytime this number is green, but 4% is really good. I can't get that in a bank account or a savings account or anything. So it's kind of reaffirms why I'm putting money, investing money in the stock market. Of course, it's only 1 week. Overall, I'm not getting that kind of return with this account, but hopefully when all said and done, I will have returns of at least that or greater. Always enjoy looking at this. These are the different indices here. So we have, and you can tell by the different colors, NASDAQ is in the green. And here in the purples, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The blue is my particular account. The orange is the Russell 2000, and the dark blue, like the navy blue or grayish blue, is the S&P 500. So not too bad. You see the ups and downs and back up again. That happened this week. I always want to try to at least hang with these common indexes, these indices. Ideally, I would like to outperform them, right? That's part of this experiment, part of the fun of me and the challenge of me wanting to start this channel and this brokerage account to see if I can become good at investing and outperform the stock market. Well, this week, pretty good, not too bad. My individual account, again, was 4.3%. The Russell 2000, who has been kicking my butt for the most part these past couple months, been outperforming my account. But this week, I outperformed the Russell 2000. I didn't outperform the S&P 500, and I didn't outperform the Dow Jones Industrial Average. But I did outperform the NASDAQ. So 2 of the 4 common indexes I outperformed, and 2 I didn't. But that's okay. Long as this is a positive, I'm super pleased. So all in all, I'm very happy with this week's profits, with this week's performance of my Charles Schwab Stock Portfolio. I think it's been interesting to see how this market fluctuates. People react to it. The so-called experts, and a lot of, whether you're watching CNBC or Bloomberg or TD Ameritrade live stream or Yahoo Finance, I think people were pleasantly shocked and happy that the market performed as well as it did and had those nice gains. Now, will it continue? We'll see. I wouldn't think so, but we're going to enjoy this small victory. We're going to enjoy this week of profits, and it basically cut. If you've been watching my videos here, it basically cut my losses in half. I got half of my money back so far. I'm still in the negative. I think I'm down like 100 and something total over the lifetime of this account since June 8th, 2022. But it's enlightening to me and gratifying to me that, yeah, you can lose your money fairly quick, but also you can get it back or almost get it back. And that's what happened this week. I almost got over half of the money that I've lost in the stock market. I got it back this week. Will I get it all back next week if we have another week that performs like the week of October 17th? We shall see. I hope so. And I hope that you tune in and follow along with this journey. And then that way we can see what happens together. And that's why I started this channel. I want to start this channel because I want to become good at investing, become a better investor. I wanted to learn about the stock market, about investing. And by making these videos, it's my intention that others can maybe follow along, learn some things about the stock market, themselves become more educated and better at investing so you can reach financial freedom. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want videos that show you how to make money, save money, invest money, so you can live life on your own terms and you can make money work for you and someday you don't have to work for money, I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe channel and that subscribe button and then notification bell so you can get all the latest tutorials on how to become good at investing and good with money. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best.